Mabuhay! I am Guyan J. A. Capio, 18 years old, from Bintar, Valencia City, Bukidnon. Today, I am going to do a travel vlogs according to these three types of travelers. First is Ellison. It's so loud here. So very loud. Now, I gonna order this food. Okay, this is my first time.
Ay, kaon mo?
So right now, I want to taste this okra because I am first time to eat this okra, and that's about allocentric. Let's see my face. I'm so very bagal, guys, and this my food is what call that? Pancit Canton. um so very a lot of rice to eat, man. I'm so faster to drink water because okra is second is mid-century. Talk about this is my first time, and this is my comfy. This is I want to get my what you call that, my my motorcycle. I want to feel what to what I feel to full tank my motorcycle because this is my first time to full tank and comfortable, so that I feel like feeling good. Oh yeah.
A few moments later.
So right now, you see this full tank. Ano? Look at my face. Yeah, ano? My face is so very haggard. I covered the tank, and this the price. Let's go. Let's go home, baby. Ano? This is my baby, guys. Oh yeah. Ano? And going to last part. The last is psychocentric. And psychocentric is my familiar place in this Island Tapan. Oh yeah. Hi guys, I'm in the barangay Kaponan, and I want to basketball because so many long time to basketball, and I want to basketball in this place. And right now, I get the ball and I sprint and go to shoot. Bang! 2 points. Oh yeah. Now we're going in the oval in San Isidro, Purok 4. I think 4. So right now we're here in oval, and so good this, and this is a dike in San Isidro. And look me guys, look me. Ano, ginanon lang. So look the view. It's so nice, bro. And look at Kuya, he's fishing. Yeah. And this is last my psychocentric, and I give you a montage. so very long time not montage because I'm busy in school. Bye bye.